Please join me in welcoming authors of The Alzheimer's Diet, Richard Isaacson and Chris Ochner.
So I really appreciate you coming out tonight, and we'll try to make this as interactive and informative and educational as possible. There's just never been enough research to really fit in a book, let alone to basically constitute a diet. So what we've done is we've taken the research of Dr. Ochner and myself, and we've tried to make it actionable, and we've tried to make it easily understandable.
It's a pretty prevalent disease now, and it's really good to know, knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better off you are, and the less chance that you may have of getting Alzheimer's.
With the Alzheimer's Diet, we don't try to wrestle your favorite foods away from you because we recognize you're not going to stick to it, okay? We want you to make a change for the rest of your life, and we want to enhance the rest of your life.
It's conflict, and you have to make that balance, I guess, that he was talking about. So I think that's the important thing that I got from this, and I'm dying to read the book. To get more of the info.
We're really, really, really happy with the product, and we're really, really happy that we're able to help people. Okay, and we're able to reach an audience, and people love it. We're getting a lot of good feedback.
I think we do have a question coming in from Facebook. We tried to use social media today. We have 13,000 Facebook fans. We have a gigantic email list, and it's really just a pleasure, and it's really a unique opportunity to engage with our fans and to really give back, and to help answer their questions.
You make something and it's your baby, and you want it to go out, and you want it to succeed, and people to like it, but you're never really sure until it happens. So now we're here, and it's happening, and it's really cool.
Great. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks so much.
Thank you guys for being here.
Okay, thank you very much.